Hey guys, what's up? Happy holidays. Yes, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Georgette. And guys, today I want to talk about, I know it's coming close to the holidays, and I just want to drop in here and give some little motivation, because my channel is all about motivating you and inspiring you and all the good stuff. Yes. And so guys, as the holidays is upon us right now, we are in December 2020. And I just want to say to you, and if you're new to me, guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Just drove in, been gone all day, and I'm just driving in. And my channel is about inspiring you, motivating you. And I do hope I can play a role in transforming your lives. Yes, I want to do that, because I have done that for myself, and I look back and I see the growth and the changes, and all I did was I changed my mindset. I now have a growth mindset, and I know I spoke about growth and growth mindset and the fixed mindset. And today I just want to touch a bit about the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. Again, as it's coming on to the holidays, I look around and I see so many people. They look so worried and despondent, and they don't know that if there's any way out of what they're going through. And I just stop to say that if your mindset is fixed, you will not see anything different in your life. If your mind is fixed, you don't see the possibilities. You don't see the endless possibilities if your mindset is fixed. Guys, do you like the nails? I'm ready for Christmas. Yes, I'm ready for Christmas, guys. So I just had the nails done, and then I just had a little lunch date. So I'm feeling my vibration is high. Yes. And so guys, just want to be real with you, how to really get over the hump as this holiday season is upon us. I know it's hard for a lot of people. I know it's really rough for a lot of people, and that's no joke. It's real. But I just want to stop in for a minute just to share that, for you to know that the possibilities are endless. That if you're looking at your account right now and you only see $1, $2, $3, what I want for you to do is to close your eyes and picture the number that you would like to see in your account. Would you like to see 100,000? Now you got to be real with yourself, because you have to be able to believe that that is possible. So if you see $1, what you want to see, $10,000 on it, close your eyes and picture the available balance. You have to picture it and make it real. Because guys, in life, you don't get what you want. Believe me. Oh, I want this for Christmas. I want the next thing for Christmas. In life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. And my mentor has taught me that. And when he said that, I didn't understand it. And so I print pictures and I put it on my walls and I did everything. But that still is not it. Yes, you see it. But what you got to do is put that in your imagination. Picture that here. Do you know that on my way out today, I had my nails appointment and I saw that there was no traffic. I went to the bank and I saw that there was no lines. And so what it is, before you go out, picture it. Just close your eyes and picture, oh, I'm going to have a great time today. I'm going to meet such and such. And I'm going to meet this great person today. I didn't even know I was going to go on a lunch date while I was having my nails done. A good friend of mine just texted me, said, Georgia, do you want to go for what are you doing? And I just took him up on the offer and we went out and have a nice sushi. And so, but I pictured my day going great. I already spoke in my life. Today's a great day. I'm going to have an amazing day. My mentor, Wesley Virgin, taught me this. Before you go out, picture your day. And I listened to his program this morning. Okay? While I was getting ready and I was doing some work before I left, I listened to him this morning. And he said, picture yourself having the great day. Picture yourself seeing no traffic. Picture yourself meeting influential people, whatever it is. And I said, okay, that's what he meant by picturing. Really, I'm telling you, just this morning. You print the pictures and you put them on your wall, or you print the pictures and you place them around you and you see it. But place that in your imagination daily. As I went out today, I saw myself meeting with the right types of people that I desire in my life. I saw myself, people speaking to me, the people that are on my same vibration and energy, with the same energy. And all day, just now I was driving home and they just checking, the police are on the road just checking, and they stopped me. And I said, hey, she said, smile girl, smile. I said, hey, happy holidays. And I had both the officers cracking up laughing. They were just on the road, just doing regular normal checks. You know, and so you have to be the person that you want in your life. You have to be vibrating on high. You have to have that high energy. Every day as you go out, guys, you will attract to you that. I mean, just now I had the two officers, they were just cracking up. And I'm like, wow, that's what I radiate. I want that energy in my life. I desire people with that same vibration. I had both of them laughing. I opened my door and I said, hi, darling, happy holidays. And so the fixed mindset would not do things like that because they're so worried about what's breaking down around them. But when you have an open mind, which would be the growth mind, you're open to possibilities. You're open to laughter and joy, because as you're happy and you're laughing and you're filled with joy, you're attracting great things and great situation in your life. And so you got to know that. You got to get rid of that old limiting mindset. That's the fixed mind. Yeah? The holidays are upon us, guys. I know a lot of people don't have. I would suggest you do not focus so much on what you don't have. Focus on what it is you can be grateful for. I always say that it is simple, but it's not easy for a lot of people, because to tell someone to be happy when they have $1 in their account, they don't have any money to buy gifts for the children. I know that that may seem hard, but I promise you guys, if you can keep a smile on your face, if you can step away from focusing on what you don't have so much, and just be gracious and just be happy about what you have. Guys, we have life. We're breathing. We are breathing. We are living. We are in the land of the living. So many people passed on by. I have this little pimple that just won't seem to go away. I'm using the coconut oil scrub on with sea salt, and my face, I don't know where I get these little bumps from, but anyhow, it's fine. It's all good. You know, guys, and so come on now, guys, it's the holiday time. We are alive. We are well. Get rid of the old limiting beliefs. Get rid of the old mindset, guys. And I have a free ebook filled with a lot of goodies to tell you how to think, how to get rid of old beliefs, disempowering belief, and how to empower yourself. I'm going to leave a link to that below. It's free. It's my holiday gift to all of you. And I know that you will enjoy it. And listen, oh my gosh, the visuals, the island tropical visuals are amazing in the ebook. Grab your free ebook. I'm going to leave it below. But guys, yes, you may not know how, guys. You may not know how. You truly may not know how you're going to get by this holiday season. I promise you, if you will allow to raise your vibration, if you will allow high energy to come in, and it doesn't cost anything to smile, to laugh, to greet someone with love and joy, you'll be surprised to see how things just works itself out. I promise you, guys. Guys, I'm going to leave you now. Hey, it's your girl Georgette. If you're new to me and haven't subscribed, I ask you now to smash the subscribe button. Yes, interact with me, guys. YouTube loves interaction. I promise you. They look at videos that get the likes and the comments, and they show it to other people. So please interact with your girl. I love you so much. And I'm going to leave videos popping up for you to continue watching. I have a lot of inspirational videos, a lot of motivational videos for you, because that is my end goal, is to inspire you and to motivate you. Yes, and as the holiday season is coming upon us, 2020, the Christmas of 2020, I know a lot of people are despondent. A lot of people don't know how they're going to afford the gifts and all of that. I say to you, smile and just look at what you have now. I have life. God, I am grateful for being alive. Whomever you call God, whatever you call it, universe, whatever you call it, I thank you. I thank you that I am alive and I am well. I am healthy and I am strong. And you'll be amazed how you're just blessed with more. I promise you. Guys, I'm going to leave you now. It's your girl, Georgette. Check out the link below. I have a free ebook there for you with a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. I had someone look at it last night and he texted me back, a gentleman. He said, Georgette, I love your content. It's tight, it's sweet, it's packed, it's a little short, sweet. You get so much value from it, and I'm just so grateful for that feedback. And guys, I'm just so grateful for all of you watching my channel. I thank you and I love you. Happy holidays. I send you love and light as always. Mwah. Bye-bye.